Stu was talking crap about left-handed pickers the other day, and I told him, I said, bro, it's the pick and lock's right-handed so easy anybody can do it. You know, and just to try to show that, this is a packlock 410 Pro. I'm going to try to do right-handed. So to try to get into it, Lawlocks tools, 39 thousandths, and just the number 3 from the Reaper set. 1, I'm not on the pins. 2, 3, 4, a little bit, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nothing on 7. 4, nothing on 7. 4, maybe it's on 5, 6. Come on. I dropped some stuff though. Probably dropped everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. There we go. I just had to get number 4 up a little higher. So yeah, that's a packlock 410. Come on, focus. Packlock 410 Pro.